Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload a CapCut edited video to TikTok. So here, I've already opened my project on CapCut and I want to upload it to TikTok, let's say. So I'm going to just export the project first. Click on the arrow at the top. Now it's exporting. Just wait until it finish. Okay, so after it finish exporting, there will be an options to share to TikTok. So this video is ready to share. You can just click on share to TikTok button to directly upload the project to your TikTok account. Okay, and it will direct you to the TikTok apps. And in here you can choose to upload it to your story, or you can click on next to upload it to the to your TikTok project, TikTok home profile. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on it. Thanks. Bye.